welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tanish, and today I will be making Jamaican oats porridge. Nice and easy, everybody healthy. Let's go. So are you guys ready? Let's get over our ingredients. So this is my ingredients, guys, and this is the amount of porridge I will be making. So I have 1 cup of oats that I will be blending up. I have some mixed nuts, a mixture of nuts. Let me show you what they are. That's this right here: cashew, pistachio, almond, and pecans. And then I have a well-ripe banana. I have cinnamon sugar, regular sugar, coconut milk, my tin milk. I have some mixed spice. It's for baking, but it had a lot of flavoring to the porridge, so I like to use it. Then I have my vanilla. Here I have allspice. Americans say allspice, Jamaican say pimento seed. I actually put this in my little thing here, and I grind it and make it into a powder. This is my nutmeg that I will be using, bay leaf, and cinnamon stick. Yes, guys, let's get into it. All right, guys, so I have a little porridge pot, or whatever pot I call this, and I'm going to add all my ingredients. So this is my cinnamon stick, well washed and nice, my bay leaf, and I'm going to also add my sugar at this point. Then my water, and I use spring water, guys. Turn the stove on, and I'm just going to allow that to get hot and boiling, and then I am going to show you what's next. So in my little grinder blender thingy, I'm going to add my oats. And then I am going to cover that up and grind these up. I like when my oats is super fine. So I'm going to grind that up and come back. All right, there it is. That's my oats now. I'm going to add this back over here. And then I am going to add my nuts into the grinding thingy. And then I am going to grind up my nuts and come back. Alright, guys, this is my nuts there. Now that it's grind up, it is actually powder, guys. So once the water boiled up, I'm gonna show you what I do next. Alright, guys, the water is almost boiled. So what I'm going to do is I am going to add some water to my oats. You don't want to put the oats in boiling water. It tends to get lumpy. So what I do this before I put it in the boiling water. Not too much. Once it gets to this consistency, it is ready to go into the boiling water. While adding your oats to the boiling water, guys, you need to mix it so it doesn't get lumpy. Okay, guys, my oats is cooking nicely, so I'm going to add my vanilla and my allspice, pimento seed, and my mixed spice, and then I am going to combine everything and let the oats absorb all that flavor. Smell really nice and healthy. Then I'm going to add some water to my mixed nuts and blend that out. so I can get it nice and smooth. Now I'm going to add my mixed nuts to my porridge. Look at that, guys. Nice and smooth and creamy, rich. Wow. When you do this, guys, you don't need a lot of artificial milk in your porridge. And this is so healthy for you. Talk about losing weight, getting rid of belly fat. This is how you need to eat, guys. This is the type of food you need to make for your body. And if you have 2 little pieces of peanut in there and nuts in there, no worries, it's more enjoyable. Now it's time to blend out your banana and get it nice and smooth. But before I do that, I am going to add some sugar and also add my cinnamon sugar. And at this time, guys, you should taste the porridge and see if it needs more sugar. So that's my banana, blend out nice and smooth. I add some sugar and I'm going to just add my banana mixture. And then I am going to just mix that together. You can see how lovely that look. Nice and healthy. So good, guys. You have to try this. And guys, please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know how you make your oats porridge. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Nice and creamy and healthy looking. And at this point, I am going to taste it to make sure it's good. Yes, guys, it tastes so delicious, so good, guys. Trust me, you guys have to try this. I'm going to add some tin milk just to give it a more richer and creamier taste. You don't know, tin milk also make it a little bit sweeter. Even though you don't want this to be too sweet, you just want it to be just right. And then I was using the tin milk to write subscribe. It kind of worked. It kind of didn't work. It kind of worked. But you don't know it. You all get the message, guys. Please subscribe. Then what you're going to do, guys, just mix in that tin milk. Just mix it in. All the way in. Yes, look at that. Oh my God, that looks so good. Talk about healthy. This is what we are talking about. When you eat like this, you are healthy. And at the last minute, guys, I'm going to go in with my nutmeg. I love that on top of my porridge. Nutmeg have just such a delicious, divine flavor. Then you mix that in. And there you go. Porridge is ready. It is ready, guys. Quick and easy. Everybody healthy. Enjoy. I hope you guys really try this and enjoy it and let me know.